Hi, good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, good morning, ma'am, sir. My name is Merjin Garcia. I am married and I have one daughter, 7 years old, and my education is high school graduate.
Okay, did you earn also a caregiving in situ?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Okay, so how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 5 brothers and 4 sisters, and I am the fifth of the family.
Okay, please tell me about your working experience as a housemaid.
My working experience as a housemaid, my main duties is to take care of children, to play with them, and cooking, go market, and doing their laundry.
Okay, do you have any other experience?
My other experience is as a caregiver, taking care of elderly.
Okay, what are the cases of the elderly you take care?
There are bedridden, there are stroke, and the other one is I take care like 3 people. They're all like 80 years old.
Okay, so in Hong Kong, if there is a newborn baby, are you willing to take care?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
If the baby is crying, I will check first the diaper if it's wet, and I will change it and feed the formula if it's not stop crying.
Okay, so do you know how to shower the baby?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Okay, what do you need to prepare?
I will prepare a lukewarm water, towel, and soap.
What do you need to take care when taking a bath of the baby?
I will take care of their eyes and ears so the water will not go inside.
Okay. So in Hong Kong, if the children is very naughty, what will you do?
I will encourage them by playing or sing a song, and
Do you have a big vision for them?
yes, I will be.
Okay. So in Hong Kong, you will work there, so you cannot avoid you have homesick. How can you handle it?
To avoid homesick, I will be focusing on my work and treat my employer as my own family.
Okay. So why do you want to come in Hong Kong?
I want to come to Hong Kong to earn money and to support my family financially.
Okay. When you work in Hong Kong, who will take care of your children or your daughter?
My sister,
How about your husband?
she's not here. We're separated.
Okay. How many years are you separated with each other?
It's been like 2 years.
Okay. So in Hong Kong, there are sometimes dogs and cats in the employers. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am, sir, because I have dog and cats in our home.
Okay, very good. Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
Not really, sir, but I am willing to learn.
Okay. So in Hong Kong, if there is the employer is having a car, so do you know how to handle the car without extra pay?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Can you assist the other person, assist them all their needs?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Do you have tattoo on your body?
No, ma'am, sir.
Can you sing a song for kids?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Okay.
It's a spider climb up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the
Okay,
spider
thank you. Do you have any allergy?
out. No, ma'am, sir.
So do you eat everything, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you have tattoo in your body?
No, ma'am, sir.
In Hong Kong, if the employer will require you to cut your hair short before you come there, are you okay?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Okay, lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
Hi to my future employer. Please hire me as your helper. I'll be honest, helpful, and
Can you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
yes, ma'am, sir.
Okay, thank you. See you in Hong Kong.